Hey friends, how's it going? This is your friend George, and today we are gonna do some analysis for this week. So I was having a hard time in downloading this super easy into this computer, so I'm just using the other computer over any desk. So um, 1 second here, please. So I'm gonna do the analysis via any desk right here. So pretty much gonna scan over this pairs we have right here. And what I'm looking for in the daily, pretty much every week, it's daily direction, and then I kind of lower it to the 1 hour and see if we go in the same direction, an arrow in the same direction, pretty much, and it's pretty easy to see it on the daily. For example, we have a daily arrow right here, and it was extended. Then it's retracing back. I'm not sure if it's going to break this top right here on the daily, but that's definitely a resistance. And if I lower to the this is a JPY by chance. So if I get an arrow here in the 1 hour breaking the 50, I'm definitely going to go into this trade right here. This is one of the trades that I think that if it starts dropping down, is going to work real good this week. Okay, this is a GBP JPY. So that's one of the most probable trades for this week. And let's scan through it right here. I got the USD CHF. That is extended pretty much all the way also. So when it's extended all the way like that, if we look at the weekly, it is definitely sitting in a support, that support right there. We still have another lower support, so we got to be careful there. We want to make sure that this is extended all the way, but the market can easily, it's just going up from there. So if we go to the daily again on that one, we can wait to get a arrow in the 1 hour, pretty much. In this case will be the 4 hour, because this is it extended in the daily. Let's look at the 4 hour. So we already have an arrow in the 4 hour. So what I would do in this case, if this pair breaks this item with Jenny called fractals right here, because these are fractals. If it breaks above this, it's definitely a good entrance for a reversal on the 4 hour. So that's a USD CHF. GBP Let's see what we got on daily. It's kind of the same situation in GBP Okay, it's already super extended. It's super extended on the daily. If you lower it to the 4 hour, excuse me if it lags a little bit, I'm on the any desk. If it starts dropping from here, that would be a good entrance also. We already have a arrow in the 1 hour, but in this case will be a good time to wait for the 4 hour arrow. It's the good idea if it breaks this low, or if you want to risk it a little more and it breaks this low, we can go into the market. That'll be a good trade also. That's GBP USD. That's the Euro USD. Same situation. We have markets that are overextended, or pairs that are overextended. We already have a 4 hour arrow right there. If it breaks this low, that'll be a good entrance. It's already started in the 1 hour. So it's better to wait the 4 hour for the break of the fractals, of the break of this lows right here. If it starts coming down right here, it will be a good entrance, definitely. Okay, that's the Euro USD. Let's log at the daily again. USD JPY. It's already gone. There's no entrance in our strategy there. USD CAD. The USD CAD, we do have an arrow on the daily, and then we have a correction definitely in the 4 hour. This looks like that. It will be a good entrance if we break a low right here. In the 1 hour, it looks pretty much in the top resistance. If it breaks this lows right here, that'll be a good entrance to this area over here. Definitely, that will be a good opportunity also. That's the USD CAD. It looks like the market is preparing for the middle of the week. It can retrace all the way, then start coming down from there. That'll be, if you wait for the market to retrace, you will have a better risk to reward, because your stop loss will be closer, and then you can get a better entrance. So as the USD CAD, Euro GBP in the daily, it's kind of a lot of noise right there, so I don't like this pair for now. GBP CHF, a lot of correction, sideways correction. It's definitely a channel correction right there. For scalpers, there's a good opportunity coming up and down, up and down. NCD USD, it's definitely coming up. It's better for us to wait to this to correct more to the top, and then wait for a 1 hour arrow coming down. The gold is I know it's super extended to up top also. Not sure if you already have an arrow on the 4 hour. We do. It's correcting for now, but if it breaks in the middle of the week from here, it's definitely going to drop. Let's go back to daily. AllCAD. AllCAD is already gone pretty much. We can wait for a correction, but it's, you know, more than 50% of the way, so that move is gone. Our JPY, it already started moving also for the last 2 to 3 days. Our USD in the daily, I think it's better for us to wait for a correction right there. If you trade corrections, I mean, that's a good opportunity also. Let's look at the 4 hour so I can explain what I mean. Look at that right there. Let's look at the 1 hour. And we definitely got room in the 1 hour to move higher for a correction of the daily. You know what I'm saying? Going up right here. We'll see how the market behaves during the week, but that'll be a good, you know, short-term entrance. CAD JPY, let's look at the daily. Daily is definitely coming up. It's already extended. That move is gone. CHF JPY. The daily, that move is already gone. Euro CAD. Good opportunity for reversals right there. It's better to wait for the market to retrace than if it breaks any of the lows. I'm going to go into the market. Euro CAD. Let's look at CAD CHF. Okay, the 4 hours already going up. Let's look at the daily, see how it looks. Daily is definitely coming down, but it can be a good time for a reversal. Let's look at the weekly and see how it looks. He's definitely sitting in that bottom right there, support. So it might start coming down, but that area we got divergence and everything ready to go, or it looks ready at least. We'll see how the market behaves. So start breaking highs and highs. So we're gonna definitely start going into that market. 4 hour, you already have an arrow. Definitely, if it starts breaking higher, I mean, definitely go into the market. NCD JPY. Let's look at the daily. That move's already gone. Nothing for this week. NCD CAD. It'll be a kind of good trade. If this thing's retraces a little bit more and then go into a trade, that looks kind of good. GPNCD daily is already extended already. Way super extended. It looks like almost already broke the top of this, but we'll see how the market behaves. I don't like that pair. GP JPY. This one already reviewed in the beginning of the video. GP CAD. overextended. So a lot of the pairs are super extended already to the tops. So reversals are imminent anytime. This is GP odd, same thing. Wait for reversals on the 4-hour or the 1-hour. Euro NCD. Euro NCD daily, it's definitely coming up. Also, wait for reversals. They need to be patient in some of those pairs because they're still extending. This is Euro JPY, same thing, super extended. Bitcoin, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin definitely on daily in his way up. But I'm waiting for Bitcoin to maybe in the short term go a little higher, then drop a little bit lower, maybe to 25,000 area. I put that level right there because I'm waiting for the market to go to that area right there on the Bitcoin. Not on short term, and then look for buys after that. US 30. US 30 also, there's a good entrance in the US 30 long term anyways, or swing trade. We're coming down, is already corrected. If we go to the 4-hour, we don't have an arrow yet. On the 1-hour, we already have an arrow. That'll be a good entrance right there for a long term. But we'll see if this thing's if it corrects a little bit, it will definitely go a good entrance to sell US 30. Where to? US 30 probably going to the next level will be around this, at least to the 50 or here this low, which it doesn't look like a lot on the daily, but if I put like a little, if I put like a target right there, and then we look at the 1-hour, I mean, you see a good amount of space to come down. You see that right there? It's exactly at that support. So I'm tempting to sell this one because it's still a good risk reward. So that's going to be your choice at this point. Well, thank you very much, friends, for this week review. There's some pairs preparing for the middle of the week, and just to give us a better idea how to approach the market at this time. Thank you very much. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm starting to using again the super easy to do the reviews training system or reversal system also. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Have a nice week.